Premium IELTS Mastery course. In this video, we're going to talk about a recently asked May to August 2025 new speaking topic, IELTS Speaking Part 2. Today's cue card is describe a person who you believe dresses well. You should say who this person is, what kind of dresses he or she wears, how do you know him or her, and explain why you think it is interesting. First, we're going to talk about ideas and vocabulary you can use for this cue card. People you can talk about: a stylish cousin or sibling, right? A college friend, your mom or dad, a fashion-forward colleague, a neighbor or shopkeeper, a social media influencer, or a teacher, or it could be a gym buddy, your gym friend. Okay, clothing styles you can mention: smart, casual, traditional wear, office formal, trendy, fashionable, minimalist style, that means simple, color coordinated outfits, seasonal fashion, reasons why you think they dress well, match perfectly, mix and match, suit their body type and personality, or you can say clean, tidy, and they're confident, accessories that add charm, keep up with trends, they make a good impression, or they know how to dress differently for each occasion. Now let's see our model answer, and we'll also analyze the language. Okay, it didn't take me long to come up with someone for this topic. It's my cousin Sonia. She totally fits this description. Honestly, she's like the queen of cool outfits. She's always dressed to the nines, even if we're just going out for a coffee. I've known her since forever. She's just 2 years older than me and we grew up together. It didn't take me long, मतलब कि मैनू ज़्यादा time नहीं लगा to come up with. Come up with दा मतलब हुंदा है सोचना, think of. भी सोचन लई भी इत्थे इस topic लई मैं किहड़े person दी गल करनी है, right? ABC fits this description. बहुत beautiful line है, तुसी किसी भी cue card च use कर सकते हो भी ओ बंदा, ओ person पूरा fit करदा है इस description ਲਈ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਜੋ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਪਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, right? Okay, she's like the queen of cool outfits, मतलब कि cool outfits ਪਾਉਣੇ ਹੋਣ, so she's the queen, right? She's like the queen, dressed to the nines, ਜੋ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਪਾਵੇ, right? Back in school she used to be pretty normal with her clothes because of the uniform, but now she's gone full fashion mode, right? मतलब जी पुरानी स्कूल दी गल करिए तो बहुत नॉर्मल हुंदी सी, पर हुन गल करिए तो पूरा फैशन, right? She's not into anything weird and wacky. Weird and wacky हुंदा जेड़ा strange ते unusual भी कुछ भी पा लेना, right? उदां ही उठपटांग कुछ भी, like could be anything. But she's got this really polished, classy vibe. Polished ते classy vibe दा मतलब हुंदा well groomed, proper मतलब एक तरीके नाल कपड़े पाना. Like she knows exactly what suits her. जिमें कि उन्हें पता होता भी exactly उन्हें suit करूँगा कि, and never tries too hard. भी कदे बहुत ज़्यादा tough उन्हें try नहीं करना पैंदा, बहुत मुश्किल नहीं होती कि की पाना की नहीं पाना. She usually wears smart casuals, well-fitted jeans, clean sneakers, crisp shirts. Sometimes she adds layers like a jacket or even a scarf, and somehow she pulls it off. I mean, if I wore the same thing, I'd probably look like I'm trying too hard. Smart casuals, that means a mix of neat and casual clothing. She pulls it off, that means she wears it successfully. She's one of those people who makes even simple clothes look classy. Even her accessories like her earrings, handbag, and perfume are always on point. I still remember when she wore this stunning navy suit, she turned heads for sure. Not in a bad way, more like, damn, who's that girl? Just one of those people. मतलब भी उन्ना विचों है भी जो simple कपड़े भी हों, उन्ना भी बहुत classy look दे देंदी है, right? जिमें कि उधर earrings हों, handbag, perfume, like that. Stunning, that means very beautiful. Turned heads, it means attracted a lot of attention. To be honest, I'm kind of envious. Envious the matlab jealous. Because I'm more of a jeans and hoodie person. I don't like to stand out. Stand out the matlab jo who doesn't like to be in the center of attention. Just no notice hona pasand nahi hunda, right? I don't like to stand out. Matlab mainu ye pasand nahi hai. too much, but she's super confident and couldn't care less. Couldn't care less ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਪਰਵਾਹ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ, right? Not bothered at all. ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਪਰਵਾਹ ਨਹੀਂ, couldn't care less. Commerce ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ that are you somebody that who couldn't care less what others think? I think her style reflects her personality, cool, confident, and a bit bold, but never over the top, right? That means कि मतलब कदे बहुत ज़्यादा over नहीं होता. That's the end of this video lesson, and you can also join our premium IELTS mastery course for more sample answers like this. And you can also join live classes for GT, General Training IELTS with me. Download the application Arun IELTS Classes if you have Android phone. If you have iPhone, download Class Plus application and enter this ORG code JZQVW. And you can also get a free PDF of this video lesson. Join Telegram channel Arun IELTS Classes. The link is in the description below to join live classes for general training. Don't forget to text me on my WhatsApp, which is on the screen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video lesson. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.